Hi everyone, this is K. Venkateshwarlu, lecturer in mathematics, Government Degree College Women, Nalgonda. In previous classes, we discussed about the definition of a kernel of a homomorphism and its problem. Now we see more problems on kernel of a group homomorphism. Here, the given homomorphism from the non-zero real number set to non-zero real number set and is defined by pi of x is equal to mod x. Then find kernel. Pi. So first we write the definition of a kernel of a group homomorphism, and also given that pi is mapping from R star to R star is a homomorphism defined by pi of x is equal to mod x for every x belongs to R star. Here, for every x belongs to R star. So here R star is nothing but non-zero real number set. We know that non-zero real number set is a group under multiplication. Non-zero real number set is a group with respect to the multiplication. With respect to the multiplication, the identity element is, that is, E dash is equal to 1 here. So first we write the definition of kernel of a group homomorphism, that is here kernel pi is equal to pi of x is equal to E dash. Pi of x is equal to E dash. So what is the definition of a kernel of a homomorphism? The set of all x values that satisfying pi of x is equal to E dash. The set of all values of x such that pi of x is equal to E dash, where E dash is the identity element in the second group or codomain group. Okay, here x belongs to R star and 1 belongs to R star is identity. Why? Because R star is a group with respect to multiplication. With respect to multiplication, the identity element E dash is 1. That's why here we write pi of x is equal to E dash is equal to 1. But here by the definition pi of x is equal to mod x. Mod x is equal to 1 means x is equal to either 1 or minus 1. So kernel of a homomorphism is nothing but the set of all values of x. The set of all values of x. Here mod x is equal to 1 means here we substitute x is equal to minus 1, we get 1. If we substitute x is equal to 1, we get 1. So mod of minus 1 is also 1, mod of 1 is also 1. That's why here the values of x are here minus 1 comma 1, that represents kernel of a given homomorphism. Okay. Next we see another problem. Here pi is mapping from R of x to R of x. Here R of x is nothing but polynomial group. Polynomial group with respect to addition. Here R of x is a polynomial group with respect to addition. Here given pi is homomorphism defined by phi of f of x is equal to f dash of x. If you take any polynomial f of x from R of x, here we defined as f dash of x. For every f of x belongs to R of x, then find kernel pi. Here we find kernel pi. First, what is given here? Pi is mapping from R of x to R of x is a homomorphism and is defined by pi of f of x is equal to f dash of x for every f of x belongs to R of x. Now we write the definition of kernel of a homomorphism. So that is kernel pi is equal to, actually the set of all x values is called the x values such that pi of x is equal to E dash is called kernel of a homomorphism. But here we take polynomials. In place of x, we take polynomials. Here, in place of x, we take here polynomial f of x. Actually, the definition of kernel of a homomorphism is the set of all values of x such that pi of x is equal to E dash. Here x values are taken, but here the group is polynomial group with respect to addition. That's why here we take, in place of x, we take polynomials. Those are f of x or g of x or h of x. So that's why here we take pi of f of x is equal to E dash. So E dash is the identity element in the second polynomial group, this R of x. So this R of x is also a group with respect to addition. With respect to addition, the zero polynomial is 0 of x. The zero polynomial is 0 of x such that f of x belongs to r of x and 0 of x belongs to second r of x. So here 0 of x is the identity element, identity polynomial or zero polynomial in the group r of x. So that is here we get, but here the definition of pi of f of x is equal to f dash of x. Left hand side is f dash of x and right hand side is 0. So that means here we get f dash of x is equal to 0. The kernel phi, we get the kernel phi of a homomorphism is f dash of x is equal to 0. If f of x is constant function, if f of x is constant function, then the derivative of this function is, that is f dash of x is equal to 0. So that means here the set of all constant polynomials which its derivative is equal to 0. That's why kernel phi contains all constant polynomials. Kernel phi contains all polynomials. Okay. Here kernel phi is equal to set of all constant polynomial. Here kernel phi is equal to set of all constant polynomial. Why? Because here whenever f of x is constant function or constant polynomial, then their derivative is equal to 0, otherwise not equal to 0. Whenever f of x is constant polynomial, then their derivative is equal to 0, otherwise not equal to 0. That's why here we get f dash of x equal to 0 means kernel phi is equal to set of all constant polynomials. Set of all constant polynomials. Next we see another problem. Here phi is defined from C star to C star. So C star is nothing but non-zero complex numbers, is a homomorphism and is defined by pi of x is equal to x power 4. Then find kernel pi. So first we see so what is C star here? Non-zero complex number. We know that non-zero complex number is a group with respect to multiplication. Non-zero complex number is a group with respect to multiplication and is here defined as pi of x is equal to x power 4. Now directly kernel pi is equal. So what is the definition of kernel of a homomorphism? Pi of x is equal to e dash, where x belongs to C star and e dash is the identity in C star. Here C star is a group with respect to multiplication. With respect to multiplication, the identity element is 1. That's why here pi of x is equal to e dash, but here we define pi of x as x power 4. Right hand side e dash is equal to 1. From that one, x power 4 minus 1 is equal to 0. This x power 4 minus 1 can be written as x square minus 1 into x square plus 1. If x square minus 1 is equal to 0, we get 1 comma minus 1. If x square plus 1 is equal to 0, we get y comma minus I. So those are the kernel phi for the given homomorphism. Okay. Next we see another problem. Here pi is mapping from Z12 to Z12 is a homomorphism. We know that Zn is a group with respect to addition modulo n. Zn, where n is any positive integer. Zn plus n is a group with respect to addition, where n is any positive integer. Here also pi is mapping from Z12 to Z12 is a homomorphism and is defined by pi of x is equal to 3x for every x belongs to Z12. Then find kernel pi. Okay, so directly we go to the definition of kernel of a homomorphism, that is kernel pi is equal to pi of x is equal to e dash, where x belongs to Z12 first domain and identity is in codomain Z12 is identity. So Z12 here Z12 is a group with respect to addition modulo 12. That's why here we take the identity element is equal to 0. But here this pi of x is defined as 3x. So 3 into x is equal to 0. Here all x value belongs to Z12. If we substitute x is equal to 0, we get 0. That's why we take kernel pi as the element of kernel pi is 0. If you substitute 1, 3 is not equal to 0. If you substitute 2, 3 into 2, 6 not equal to 0. If you substitute 3 into 3, 9 is not equal to 0. If you substitute here 4, here we substitute x is equal to 4, 3 into 4. So 3 into 4 is 12, but we divide with 12, we get the remainder is 0. That's why here we take, here kernel pi contains 4, and also if you substitute x is equal to 8, 3 into 8 is equal to 24. We divide with 12, we get the remainder is 0. That's why here kernel pi is equal to 0, 4, 8. And the next problem, Here W is mapping from R to G is a homomorphism where R is a group under addition and G is a group of complex numbers of magnitude 1 under multiplication. So the second group G is a group with respect to multiplication. The G is nothing but group of complex numbers. But here given condition is all complex numbers magnitude is must be equal to 1. G contains group of complex numbers with the condition that the magnitude of complex number is 1 is defined by W of x is equal to cos x plus I sin x for every x belongs to R. Here R is a real number, that's why here we take the domain element as x, and G is a group of complex numbers, that's why here we take the codomain element as complex number, that is cos x plus I sin x, which is a complex number. But here clearly this magnitude, that means mod of cos x plus I sin x, mod of cos x plus I sin x is must be 1. Cos of I sin x plus mod of cos x plus I sin x is equal to 1. That is nothing but under root of cos square x plus sin square x. We know that cos square x plus sin square x is equal to 1. That is root of 1 is equal to 1. Okay. So here we go for the definition of kernel. That is kernel W is equal. Here W is a function. That's function mapping from R to G. That's why here we take kernel W is equal to W of x is equal to E dash, such that first x belongs to real numbers R and E dash is the identity element in G. Here G is a group of complex numbers. So with magnitude is 1 is a group under multiplication. With respect to multiplication, the identity element is 1. That's why here we define W of x as cos x plus sin x, that is equal to 1. Here what are the solutions of this equation? That is the kernel W. Here all the solutions of cos x plus I sin x is equal to 1 are called the kernel of a homomorphism W. Here we substitute x is equal to 2 pi, cos 2 pi plus I sin 2 pi is equal to 1. Why? Because cos 2 pi value is 1, sin 2 pi value is 0. Again cos 4 pi value is 1, sin 4 pi value is 0. Here cos n pi is equal to 1 if n is even. And sin n pi is equal to 0 for all n values. Sin n pi is 0 for all n values. Here we need the solutions are all the solutions, that is cos x plus I sin x is equal to 1. All the solutions of these equations are called kernel. Here we substitute 2 pi and also here we get 0 also. Okay, here we include 0 also. Why? Because cos 0 plus I sin 0 is also equal to 1. That's why here kernel W is equal to 0 comma 2 pi comma 4 pi comma 6 pi comma dash dash. This is a kernel. Okay. This function here the homomorphism. Here W is a function mapping from R to G. This function W is called wrapping function. Okay. Next class we will discuss more problems on kernel of a homomorphism. Thank you.